Welcome to the installation of the Swarm Vibration Monitor, Omnidots smart solution for high-quality vibration measurements. We will show you how to install the Swarm in just a few simple steps. You will need a drill and a screwdriver, along with the plug and screw that are supplied with the Swarm. Here on the back, we see the 3 studs for stable mounting. Only one drilled hole is needed to mount the Swarm. Before mounting the Swarm, connect the power cable to the Swarm. First, we open the dust cap and connect the cable. Make sure to tighten the connector coupling ring properly until you feel a slight click. This will ensure a watertight and dust-proof connection. Then we mount the Swarm firmly to the wall using the supplied screw. The convenient thing is the Swarm aligns its axis by itself automatically, so leveling is not necessary. The Swarm can be mounted at any angle. We connect the Swarm to the Omnidots rugged dust and splash-proof battery. The Swarm can be powered using Omnidots battery pack, or you can connect it to your solar panel. Also, the Swarm can be powered by mains power. The provided power adapter is, however, only suitable for indoor use. No matter what the power source, always make sure to use the power cable provided by Omnidots to ensure that everything remains watertight and dustproof. Once the Swarm has been connected to a power source, it will automatically connect to the online cloud platform. The LED will start blinking green. The Omnidots battery is also equipped with convenient mounting holes. Now your Swarm is installed and online. For instructions on how to connect your Omnidots Swarm to Omnidots cloud-based platform, the Honeycomb platform, check out our website. Here you will find more videos and information.